Unit 6. Our Neighbors.
Unit 6, Lesson 3. The Maldives. The Maldives is the smallest Asian country in both population and land area. With an average ground level of 1.5 meters above sea level, it is the planet's lowest country. The Maldives is very famous for its natural beauty, which includes the blue ocean and white beaches, accompanied by clean air and pleasant temperatures. It is a favorite tourist destination. Look at the pictures and talk about the Maldives. Read the text in section B and choose the best answers. Click on each word. Abolish. Physical punishment is abolished from school, meaning to end a law, a system, or an institution officially. Cluster. Mustard flowers bloom in cluster, meaning group of things of the same types that appear close together. Convert. At 0 degrees centigrade temperature, water converts into ice, meaning to change something into another. Idyllic. The idyllic beauty of Nilgiri in Bandarbon attracts many tourists, meaning peaceful and beautiful. Predict. Joya is studying hard. Anyone can predict that she will make a good result, meaning to say that something will happen in future. Read the text in section B. In order to highlight the threats of global warming to its low-lying islands, the government of the Maldives held a cabinet meeting under the water. Click to watch the video of the meeting. This was a rare occasion. The President of Maldives with his cabinet ministers held a meeting underwater. Listen to the newspaper report on the underwater cabinet meeting and answer the following questions.
Maldives President Mohammed Nasheed led a team of 12 cabinet ministers in holding the first ever underwater cabinet meeting at the bottom of the Indian Ocean. The duration of the meeting was 30 minutes. The team wore a full scuba gear and went under 3.5 meters under the surface of the lagoon. They seated around a table. They used hand signals and slate to sign on an SOS message to be presented at the UN Climate Change Summit in Copenhagen. The underwater cabinet meeting is the latest of President Nasheed's eye-catching moves to bring attention of the world to the Maldives.
Do you know any island in Bangladesh? Click to know about this island. St. Martin's Island is a small island in the northeastern part of the Bay of Bengal. It is the only coral island in Bangladesh. Every year, many people visit St. Martin's for its unparalleled beauty. Describe the pictures of the St. Martin's Island. Complete the text with appropriate form of the words in blue. St. Martin's Island is the only coral island in Bangladesh. The location of the island is in the northeastern part of the Bay of Bengal. It has several different names. It was named Zajida by the Arabian sailors. Now it is known as St. Martin Narikel Jinjira. Most of the island's inhabitants, approximately 7,000, live primarily on fishing. Their staple crops are rice and coconut. The central part of the island is suitable for farming. Boats and ships are the only transport to reach the St. Martin's Island from Teknaf. Ship ticket booking can be done either from Chittagong or from Cox's Bazar. The surrounding coral reef of the island has an extension named Cheradip. The tourists are advised not to hold nights at Cheradip for safety reasons. Drag phrases from the list below and put in the table to make meaningful sentences about the St. Martin's Island. The island is coral base, which is helpful for the existence of the island. Removal of the coral from the island increases the risks of erosion of the beach. Cyclones mostly strike during March to July on the island, and the number of tourists become less during this period. Twinkling of lights along the beach distracts hatching of the turtles. The increase of visitors deteriorates the natural beauty of the island. The small area, only 8 square kilometers, makes it possible for the visitors to walk around it in a day. You have learned many things about the Maldives and St. Martin Island. Now compare the Maldives and St. Martin's Island.